just bought a new MyUMobile SIM card in Malaysia, but don't know how to activate it? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the complete registration and activation process step by step. Whether you are Malaysian or foreigner, this method works easily using your phone. So watch carefully till the end, because one small mistake can delay your activation. Step 1. Download MyUMobile app. First open Google Play Store, or if you using iPhone, then open App Store. Then tap on search value, then type MyUMobile apps. Then install the app on your device. After installed app, then open the app. Then tap on New Line Self-Registration. Here, following 3 easy steps. A faster and easier way to activate your SIM card right here, right now. Step 1. SIM verification. Step 2. ID verification. Step 3. Facial recognition. Your identity will be verified by one of the following methods. Tap to allow agree, terms and condition. And then tap on next option. Then here scan your SIM barcode. Then ID verification, take a photo of your ID. Confirm your address here. Fill in this section using your local address, including your postcode, city, and state. Then tap on next option. Now you only need to complete the facial recognition verification. Once you confirm it, your SIM card registration will be completed successfully. I couldn't show this part because I already registered this SIM card before.